Do you usually start with internal or external negotiation? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influence. Can I please ask you to like this video and subscribe to our channel now? This will help for the algorithm. Now, most of the time, the good approach is indeed to start with internal negotiation. If you manage your internal negotiations well, then you will have more scope to create value during the external negotiation. In order to manage the internal negotiation well, let me give you 3 pieces of advice. The first one, involve many people in the preparation phase. Because when you have many stakeholders at the preparation stage, then you are more likely to have a good understanding about what is value for the company. In addition, sometimes people may block your deal if they were not involved upfront. Second idea, understand hidden agenda. For instance, the R&D team may not be very keen to qualify your new product from a supplier because they're making a similar development themselves. Third idea, manage expectations. You want to avoid the kind of situation where you're going to a negotiation where the shareholder expects you to decrease prices by 20% when the market is going up by 10%. The good negotiator do not limit themselves to focus on their internal side. They also look at the internal side of their counterpart. These are 3 ways to do it. The first one, research the company and their company culture. The second one, research the internal dynamic of the other party. And this is best done well before the negotiation, when the guards are down. Then you may understand how it really works in this company. You may find allies. What many salespeople do, they ended up letting some end user use the product before the negotiation starts. The third idea, prepare their victory speech. Understand how they can sell the agreement to their internal stakeholder as a victory for them. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.